Hi friends, today we'll be designing corner shelf 2. Note, all dimensions are in inches. Material is 3/4 inch thick wood, oak. Okay, so this is a 5-tier corner shelf. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Okay, looking at the top view, the top shelf is 20 by 20 inches. So basically, it's a square. Okay. There's a 2-inch radius internally, and here's 2-inch here and 2-inch here, so it's typical. From here to here is 10 inches, and the opening is 10 inches by 10 inches. So there's 5 of these panels, and they're all the same. Okay? Now looking at the front view, the overall height of this corner shelf is 51 3/4 of an inch high. Okay? There's 4 3-inch wide panels by 12-inch high. So you can see it here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then there's 8 8-inch wide panels by 12 inches high. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're all the same. Okay? So let's get started and design this corner shelf too. File, new, part, okay. Save drawing as corner shelf 2. I'm gonna go to apply scene and choose plain white. Systems option. Document properties tab. Units. Inch, we're drawing in inches. IPS. 3 decimal places for dimensioning. I'm gonna start at the top plane. Top plane, click it. Select sketch. Draw lines. Horizontal one. Okay. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna drag from the bottom right corner up to the left. Select those 2 lines. I'm gonna make it equal. Make them equal. I'm gonna do the same thing. Click drag from the bottom right to the left, top left. Those 2 lines, make those equal. I'm gonna select this line. Hold shift, select this line, make it equal. Okay. Apply some dimensions, smart dimension. 20 inches. 10 inches. Okay, so the drawing is fully defined. I'm just gonna show you that this is, because they're all, we applied the equal relationship, that's equal to, okay? Okay, so we're gonna apply some cancel smart dimension, fillet. Sketch fillet, 2 inches. Okay. Entities to fillet, I'm gonna choose this corner, okay, this internal corner, and this external corner. Okay. I'm going to draw some rectangles. Okay. Dimension 3 inches. 8 inches. 8 inches. Okay. Cancel smart dimension. Actually, I want to do one more dimension, sorry. One more. 0.750, 3/4 of an inch thick material. Okay. Now I'm going to select that line, hold shift, select that line, and make relations equal. Okay, our drawing is fully defined. Just want to show this, that this is equal. We know it's equal, but just want to show. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna cancel smart dimension. We're gonna extrude, so I'm gonna go to features, extruded boss base. From sketch plane, blind, 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna extrude the bottom panel first. Select contour. Okay. Select everything. And it's going up. We don't want it to go up. We want it to go down. All right, so the arrow's pointing down. Okay. I'm gonna turn off real view graphics for now. Okay. And I'm gonna show isometric. All right. So again, click the arrow beside boss extrude 1 to show the sketch. Sketch 1, extruded boss base. Unselect merge result. The distance is 12 inches. Okay, from sketch plane, blind, 12 inches, select contours. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, we have 4 solid bodies. All right, now I'm going to do a linear pattern. Direction, I'm going to select this edge, showing up the arrow, so I don't have to change it. It's good. I want it to go up. The distance is going to be 12 plus 0.750. Okay, so that's 12 3/4 of an inch spacing. And the instances is 5. There's 5 panels. Okay, we're linear patterning this panel right here. Okay, I don't want features, I want bodies. Zoom out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 12 3/4 of an inch spacing. Okay, so now I have 8 bodies. Now I'm going to sketch on this face of the second panel. Okay, select it, sketch. I'm going to go here and show hidden lines visible. Okay, I'm going to sketch 3 rectangles. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, smart dimension, 3 inches again. 8 inches. 8 inches. Okay. Okay, one more. 3/4 of an inch. 0.750. Okay. Okay, escape to cancel the command. Now I'm going to select that line. Hold shift, select that line, like we did before. Make equal. Okay, our drawing's fully defined. Let's extrude this. Features, extruded boss base. Okay, I'm going to turn back on display style, shaded with edges. Okay, so it's showing the arrow showing up, and we don't want to merge result. We want separate bodies, so it's 12 inches from that sketch plane, that face right there. Blind, 12 inches. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so now we should have 11 bodies, and we do. All right. So now I'm going to do another linear pattern. Direction. I'm going to select this edge. It's showing up, pointing up, so I'm good. Okay. The instances is, I want 2 of these patterns, and the spacing, I want it to be 12.75 times 2 times 2 equals 25.5-inch spacing. Okay? I don't want features, I want bodies again. Now I'm going to select the bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Looks proper, looks correct. Okay. Okay, so we have basically designed this 5-tier shelf, corner shelf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're just going to apply, okay, appearances. I'm going to appearances here, okay, organic, and just a general wood folder. I'm going to double click on polished oak 2D. All right, looks nice. I'm going to turn on view graphics. All right. Remember to save your drawing. So looking at it from the top view, the front view, right side view, and finally isometric view. Okay. Okay, there we have it. We've designed a 5-tier corner shelf. I hope you like it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.